Okay, TGIF, thank goodness it's Friday. A night when most people order out, but not tonight. Tonight I am making up this ever so delicious and easy lasagna bites that I'm going to kick back and watch a movie. Let me show you how to make these. Lasagna always has a meat sauce, so we'll start with that. What I'm going to do is add about a tablespoon of oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Add in 2 Italian sausages, and this is just the mild. I mean, you can use any sausage you like, and even use ground beef for that matter. And I'll just kind of crumble these up. But I have to admit, I just love the flavor of Italian sausages. Now our sausage looks beautifully browned. I'm going to add in some marinara sauce. And this is just store-bought. You can make it from scratch, but, you know, it's Friday night, I'm in a hurry, who can be bothered? And we'll just give this a stir around until everything is well incorporated. And I should also add that you can use pasta sauce, tomato sauce, even spaghetti sauce for that matter. Anything works. After about 2 or 3 minutes, we're going to kill the heat and we're ready to build our lasagna bites. But first, let's get our cheese mixture ready. Now, lasagna always has ricotta and I just love it. So I'm just going to add a cup to a mixing bowl. Now you can always substitute ricotta with cottage cheese, but you know, I wouldn't race around Italy shouting that out. Next I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Parmesan just for that extra burst of yumminess. A good pinch of salt. And a really good pinch of ground black pepper. Now we'll just go ahead and mix this up until it's nicely combined. Now to build these yummy, scrumptious lasagna bites, we're going to start with these wonton wrappers. You can pick these up in just about any grocery store, and they do such a good job, you're going to be shocked with the outcome. They're crispy, perfect, just like lasagna. So what you need to do first is give your muffin well a spray, and you can use Pam, I'm just using olive oil here, and just kind of twirl around a little bit, just get all sides coated. Take our wonton wrapper, place it over top, and just kind of give it the tucky down in. Then take a second wrapper and kind of place it over opposite the other one. So you get a real flowery, pretty effect. Isn't that look great, guys? Put some ricotta into the bottom of our mini bites, or our bites. Some of our ever so delicious meat sauce. Some ever so delicious mozzarella. You're going to say this guy is mozzarella. And a sprinkle of fresh basil over the top. You can use parsley, whatever you like. I just love basil though. Now I've tried layering these, meaning ricotta sauce, mozzarella, and then another wonton ricotta sauce mozzarella. But I just found they were too soggy in the middle, so I found just the one layer is good enough. But, you know, you can be the judge. Now our lasagna bites are all built and they look really good. You're going to get about 9 out of these depending on the way you proportion out the mixture. I'm going to slip these into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius oven for about, I'd say 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, we are done. And oh my goodness, don't these look absolutely spectacular, guys? I can hardly wait. We'll just go ahead and plate these guys up. All right, my friends, let's cut into this and see what we have. Oh, and just look at this, guys, filled with ooey gooey goodness. Okay, now it's time, guys. What can I say? This is so good. It's like lasagna in a cup. So easy to make. Less than half an hour, you've got it done. Oh my goodness. Incredible. It's movie time. And because these are so good, guess who's wandering around and wants a lasagna bite? Coco, want a lasagna bite? Yummy. And to get this recipe, guys, head on over to cookandshare.com. I'm going to have more lasagna bites, all kinds of great stuff there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.